Hello, I'm Heather Sakers with Coldwell Seaside Realty, and thanks so much for tuning back into my Friday weekly Outer Banks market update. First of all, as our non-resident property owners start to trickle back onto our island, I just want to say welcome back. We are excited to have you here. I know from vacationing here for years before my family moved from Arlington, Virginia to Duck in 1993, there's just nothing quite like that feeling of crossing that bridge onto our beautiful beaches. So again, welcome, welcome. And keep in mind that we do still have our Stay Home, Stay Healthy ordinance in place through May 22nd. If you need any information on re-entry into Dare and Currituck County, then they have great updates on both of the county websites. Dare County website and Currituck County website has great updated information on that. So feel free to check those out or contact me directly if I can help answer any questions with that. One thing I wanted to touch on real quick before I give you the weekly market update is that I know for a lot of homeowners, the COVID-19 health crisis has been really unexpected and has put a lot of people in a position where it might be tough to make your mortgage payment right now. So I know when I started with Coldwell Banker in 2008, we were jumping right into a financial crisis. So I did educate myself back then on short sales just to figure out a way where I could help my clients during that particular time period and help them to figure out a way to get their properties sold without going into a foreclosure situation. So this being a little bit different as a health crisis, you still may have other options before you are late on any payments. So just check with your local lender, whether it's the Outer Banks or home where you are. I'm happy to give you any local lender recommendations here, but you may have options for refinancing, loan modification, repayment plans. So just be sure to investigate that a little bit because there are some great options out there for people right now. So now for a quick market update. We did have 39 new residential properties come onto the market this past week. They did have an average asking price of about $590,000. So keep in mind with that, that number is a little bit higher than average. We had several $1 million plus properties come back on the market. They had previously been listed and now they're back on the market. So that average asking price is a little bit high for this past week compared to what we typically see. But we did have 32 residential properties also go under contract. They had an average of about 66 days on the market, so pretty quick time there for the pending sales. And they had an average asking price of about $368,000. And we also had 30 residential property closings this past week as of today. So those had an average of about 70 days on the market and an average sales price of about $393,000. So that list to sold price ratio was right about 96%, which was pretty much the same as we saw last week. And that tells us that prices are holding steady right now. I know that overall the nation is seeing home sales decline a bit, but from what I am reading and looking at here in the Outer Banks and on a broader scale, it does look like home prices are holding steady. So for buyers, the good news is that interest rates are still really low, so your buying power is still strong, making it, still a great time to buy. So if you need a local lender contact, definitely reach out to me. I would love to help with that. If you want to talk about getting your property on the market, again, I'm always available to discuss a personalized marketing plan for your property. And my team does have several new listings that we're excited that are upcoming over the next couple of weeks. So be sure to check out our social media posts for those. You can find me at Heather Sakers on Instagram or IGTV or the Heather Sakers team on Facebook. And we are still offering some great local restaurant giveaways for our new listing posts, so be sure to enter those. We just had a raffle drawing yesterday, so excited to continue to support our local restaurants with those raffle giveaways on our new listings. So again, I'm Heather Sakers with Coldwell Banker Seaside Realty. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, email, call, text, and I would love to help with all your Outer Banks real estate needs. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend.